Well, we have had a difficult morning. We're still 2.5 points in the hole from the morning trade, which is a little disappointing. We had 45 positions. We had a position of 45 that we got out of, and we could have maximized that trade a bit, even though we're still in an inside day. E period opened up, made a double top with the D period. This very well could be an area to get short. We just haven't seen a particular entry, but we're close on taking one here on this retest. We don't see anything on this retest. We'll try to get short this market. We'll let the E period do its thing for a bit. It'll be interesting to see if we get to our original target of 54. That would made about a significantly good trade from our original 45. I got that 45 stuck on my mind. We would definitely look to go short in the 54 area. We're going to take the 51.75 short, 51.75. That's a little before 54s. We'll have to put our stop above that. Our stop's at 55.75. That's just above the volume cluster in the A period that brought us down to the low 40s. 55, 55.75. Might be a little close, but we'll keep it there. Our target on this trade, believe it or not, is the other end of value, which is down around the low 40s. So we'll see if we can be patient. Well, I think I had the overall market pinned. There's just no volume today. Yesterday, low volume, short covering, but the intraday rotations I've been having a challenge with. I think the area here is great opportunity for a short. Our stop, unfortunately, is just right above us, but the declining volume all day, we're going to get stopped out here. Oh man, oh man, oh man. If our stop's a little too close here at 55.75, but we just got hit. So we'll pause and we'll take a look, but we would certainly be eager to get short anywhere up here.
Open up your corner of the world to a world of new possibilities when you have Roadrunner high-speed online from Bright House Networks.
Golly.
With super fast premium speeds up to 10 and 15 megabits per
If we
second.
get over the A period high, that would be another good area.
New features like enhanced email with more storage and Roadrunner travel, video, and radio channels too. So get online today with Bright House Networks and bring the best of the web into your world. Call or visit mybrighthouse.com today.
And low volume. The New York tick chart is up and down. It's been building on the upside on low volume. I think we have an extreme here. And guaranteed to get a worse fill than what we got stopped out. God, that kills me. Son of a bitch.
Take investors for a ride. A nationwide $21 million scam until she steps in.
The whole thing didn't make sense from the very beginning.
Some people will do anything for money. American greed. CNBC tomorrow.
Market's so slow. It's just one of those days that you wish you wouldn't have traded at all. I mean, what do we have a chance of trading now toward the other end of value at 45. We hit our original target from the 45s that we had earlier. That's even worse. We didn't take advantage of that opportunity. Actually lost money somehow on that really good trade location. It's been a vexing morning. 55.75. Fucking amazing. Let's take the 54.50 short. Our stop on this trade is 56.50. The stop 56.50 is above the G period high by just a couple ticks. Here's our stop. Same fucking thing. We're gonna go short 55. Well, after a grueling day, we're about 10 minutes to the close, and we're about break even on this last trade, which will give us a day that had a lot of work for no financial reward. Saw a lot of difficult things. We had a real good trade location at the 45s, but somehow we got talked out of. We'll have to review that snippet. So we're going to wait until 4:15. I'm tempted to take this position into the Globex only because I believe that this could be a significant area for a swing. We couldn't get into the gap to close it. We had a short covering rally yesterday. We had low volume yesterday, lower volume today, and an erratic looking profile today where value and the point of control didn't move all day, lower value overlapping, and it looks like we're heading to close around the point of control, maybe down to the low 50s, high 40s, if we can get down that far. Let's see. We'll have to make a decision before 4:15 on that. If we did manage it into Globex, it would only be until I retired for the day, and then we flattened out overnight. It's 3 minutes to close, and we're at 51.50. I'm very tempted to leave this position open and manage it in the early hours of Globex to about midnight, whenever I retire. I think that's what we're going to do. We're 10 points off, almost 10 points off the high, and today's volume and yesterday's volume this week, I think there's too much inventory up here. I think we need to correct a bit. So we'll update it through the evening. I've never stayed into the close of the Globex, and be interesting to see how the low volume of Globex affects the volatility of the market after a grinding higher day for the most part. Well, it looks like the Globex close was 1351.50. So while the other chart says 75, 1351.75. Globex opened up at 51.25. Our target is 45. We're in the 47s during the Globex. The Globex session is really weird. I would never want to trade this unless it was an extenuating circumstance like we had today, where all lights said that the rally was just fake. So we'll hold on here for the 45s. So far so good on this crazy erratic light volume. We're moving in the right direction. We might get to the 45 area. Well, we're trading down to the 47.48. It's about 9:30 Eastern. We're going to set our stop at 51. If we retrace back to 51, we're going to get out. And we'll see where the market is in a few hours. We're going to take the 48s and call it a night.